Hi guys, it's me again, Jack Patubo of Eclations, and today I'm just gonna show you a quick video on what I have been working on, especially on weekends. So it's this. I'd like to show you my very messy work area. I'm in my daughter's future bedroom, but right now it's kind of my storage slash craft room, and I've been working a lot. I've been working on a lot of swags lately, so I have a lot of materials on hand, and they've been just stuck here in the room for like forever, and consequently I need to raise some funds. So I've decided to spend a part of my weekends to work on a bunch of flowers and a bunch of other stuff using those existing materials and sell them. So I'll be releasing these flowers probably on my Facebook page soon, if not in one of craft or planner groups that I belong to. And I just want to give you a brief view of what they are and what they do. Okay, so these are what I call planner posies. Posies because they're comprised of a bunch of flowers like a mini bouquet, and they are normally used to decorate planners or to use them as accents for your flat lace. But what people mostly do not know is that they can be functional too. So in my next release of these flowers, I will be releasing with it this. It's actually a simple planner band. It's around 7 inches in diameter, and it's elastic, so it can fit probably most sizes of planners like this one. I think this one is around the size of a pocket planner, and then it can also get stretched to fit something larger. And this is a quick video, so I was not able to pull out my planners on time, but this is a demo. So this is around the size of a Happy Planner Classic, I think. So see, it fits it because it's elastic. And what you can do with this little part here is you can actually insert your pens. So I don't have a sample pen. Wait. Ta-da! Sorry, I still use the classic sign pen. I love this kind of pen. So what you can do is actually just insert it here on this part of the band. There. See? So the band in itself is already functional. Aside from holding your pen, it can actually bind your planners, notebooks, Bibles together, especially those that are actually chunky. So, yung mga marami ng laman sa loob, singit-singit, pwedeng sumabog, malaglag, they can actually use the bands to hold the planner together, or the pages of the planner together. See? And you can actually use it with this one. So, what I'm doing with my flowers is I'm gonna be using Velcro. See? Then, so you can remove it and stick it anywhere. So, for example, if my planner, assuming this is a planner, already has a band, I can simply use this, the band of the planner, and insert my flower in it. See? Ta-da! Pretty na, diba? So, kung wala namang band, if your planners or TNs do not have band yet, you can actually use it with the band that I'm giving with your posies. Ta-da! So, if you want to make it more functional, you can already use the flower with the band and still use the band as a pen holder. Ta-da! Maganda naman, diba? So, I decided to do this kasi since the planner swags are not really commonly used by here, I think I only see a few people really using it. And most of the crafter and planner girls I know are actually after functional stuff. I just wanted to show you that these things can actually be functional. They serve a purpose other than decorating your planners and your flat lace, of course. Okay, so if you are interested to get your own swags, stay tuned on my Facebook, Facebook page, www.facebook.com/Eclations. Or you can also follow me in Instagram so that when I release my fundraiser, you can mine. You can just say mine on the photos and get yours. So a sneak peek of what I have been preparing. I'll show you what I already have. Ta-da! So, they come in different colors, different styles. I used to sell them for around 400 pesos and 450 pesos. But now they're again gonna be on super duper sale. I think around 250 or less. So, stay tuned for that. See? So, that's just a sneak peek. I have a lot, sorry, I have a lot of other designs you might want to get. See? So different sizes, different designs, different colors. They can be used with your TNs as is. You can use them with your planners using the band and the pen holder that will come with it. So that's just a sneak peek preview of what you can expect in the upcoming days or weeks. So I hope you do stay tuned and I hope you help me with my fundraiser. Thank you, bye!